Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 1 functions and limit. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.3 question 7 to 11, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. Let's start. Question 4. Express each limits of e that is exponent. Part number 7, limit x approaches to 0 into 1 plus 2x square whole power 1 divided by x square. So starts. Limit x approaches to 0 into 1 plus 2x square whole power 1 divided by x square. Limit next is equal to limit x approaches to 0 into 1 plus 2x square whole power 1 divided by x square, multiplying and dividing by 2. So 2 divide and multiply 2. Multiplying and dividing by 2 is equal to limit x approaches to 0 into 1 plus 2x square. So this form is 2x square, it means power 1 divide 2x square. 1 divide 2x square whole power 2. Limit x approaches to 0 into 1 plus 2x square into whole power 1 divided by 2x square is equal to e. So e power 2. Next, part number 8. Limit at h approaches to 0. Limit h approaches to 0 into 1 minus 2h whole power 1 divided by h. Solution first as it is. Limit h approaches to 0 into 1 minus 2h whole power 1 divide h is equal to limit h approaches to 0. 1 minus 2h, it means power 1 divide 2h. So we make multiplying and dividing by 2. 1 divide 2 h multiply 2, 1 2 times 2 is equal to limit h approaches to 0 into 1 minus 2h whole power 1 divide 2 h, again whole power 2. Limit h approaches to 0 into 1 minus 2h whole power 1 divide 2h is equal to e. So e power 2, which is the required solution. Next, question number 4, part number 9. Part number 9, that is limit x approaches to infinity into x divide 1 plus x whole power x. Solution, limit x approaches to undefined into x divide 1 plus x whole power x. So limit x approaches to undefined into, dear students, take x in numerator form and 1 plus x in denominator form and 1 plus x in numerator form. So sign will be change, power negative form. 1 plus x whole power minus 1, it means denominator form power whole positive, so numerator take power will be negative whole power minus x. Next, x taking numerator form, so x power minus 1 whole power x. Next, limit x approaches to undefined into 1 plus x divide x whole power minus 1 can also be written in this form. Next, limit x approaches to 0 infinitive into 1 plus x divide x, so 1 over x plus x divide x whole power minus 1 multiply x minus x into minus 1 can also be write in this form. Next, limit x approaches to infinitive x cancel, so 1 plus 1 divide x whole power x, again whole power, that is minus 1, which is equal to limit x approaches to infinitive into 1 plus 1 divide x whole power x is equal to e power minus 1, which is equal to 1 divide e. Dear student, next part number 10. Part number 10, that is limit x approaches to 0 into e power 1 divide x minus 1 divided by e power 1 divide x plus 1, where x less than 0. When x less than 0. Solution: limit x approaches to 0 into e power 1 divide x minus 1 e power 1 divide x plus 1 in case of x less than 0. So we put x is equal to minus t. If x less than 0, so we put x is equal to minus t. It means less than 1, so x is equal to minus t. Limit x approaches to 0, e power 1 divide minus t minus 1 all divided by e power 1 divide minus t plus 1. Next, limit x approaches to 0 into, if we make positive, e power 1 divide minus t, so 1 divide e power 1 divide t minus 1. Next, 1 divide e power 1 divide t plus 1. By using quotient rule of limits, that is limit x approaches to 0, 1 divide e power 1 divide. Dear students, so then put x is equal to minus t, then t approaches to 0 when x approaches to 0. So t approaches 0, it means t approaches to 0, t approaches to 0, t approaches to 0 minus 1 divided by limit t approaches to 0 into 1 divide e power 1 divide t plus 1 is equal to limit t approaches 0 into 1 divide e power 1 divide t, so 1 divide e power 1 divide t approaches to 0 minus 1 divided by 1 divide e power 1 divide t, so t approaches to 0, 1 divide 0 plus 1 e power 1 divided 0 is equal to e power infinity minus 1 divided by 1 divided by e power 1 divided 0 equal to infinity plus 1 is equal to 1 e power infinity is equal to infinity minus 1 divided by e power, so that is equal to e power 1 divide infinity, so 1 divide e power infinity is equal to infinity plus 1 divide infinity is equal to 0 minus 1 divide infinity is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 divide 1 which is equal to minus 1, which is the required solution. Next part number 11. Part number 11. Limit x approaches to 0 e power 1 divide x minus 1 divided by e power 1 divide x plus 1. So solution where x greater than 0. Dear student, question number 4, part number 10, x less than 0, and part number 11, x greater than 0. So limit x approaches to 0 e power 1 divide x minus 1 divided by e power 1 divide x plus 1. So limit take common e power 1 divide x, so 1 minus 1 divided by e power 1 divide x, numerator take common e power 1 divide x, so 1 plus 1 divided by e power 1 divide x, e power 1 divide x cancel, so limit x approaches to 0 into 1 minus 1 divide e power 1 divide x divided by 1 plus 1 divide x by using quotient rule of limits, that is limit x approaches to 0 into 1 minus 1 divide e power 1 divide x divided by limit x approaches to 0 into 1 plus 1 divide e power 1 divide x, which is equal to 1 minus 1 divide e power 1 divide 0, which is equal to 1 plus 1 divide e power 1 divide 0, which is 1 minus 1 divide e power 1 over 0 is equal to e power infinity 1 plus e power 1 divided 0 is equal to e power infinity 1 minus e power infinity is equal to infinity 1 plus e power infinity is equal to infinity 1 minus 1 divide infinity is equal to 0, 1 plus 1 divide infinity is equal to 0, so which is equal to 1, which is the required solution. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.